open.
Let Zachy open his.
Alright, here we go.
Maddie, just wait, please.
Let me see your face. You got some dirt on there or something. There you go, Bubba. Get that open.
Maddie's opening hers.
Wait, let Zachy open his.
New
Ooh,
PJs.
Can I open mine?
Go ahead. Actually,
Give me that box.
Can I go?
Maddie's opening hers. Oh my, what did Maddie get?
ooh,
Those are pretty.
those look
Can I
beautiful.
open mine
What
now?
do you think, Maddie? Are they soft? Or are they
Oh, those are soft.
cool?
Can I open mine now?
Yep. Go
Very
ahead,
pretty.
JJ. Those are very pretty.
I know what they are.
It's okay.
Legos.
What kind?
Star Wars.
Awesome.
You prayed for that and Santa gave it to you. I guess Santa listened.
That's from Grandma and Grandpa.
No, it's from Grandma and Grandpa.
What do you think, JJ?
I can cool.
Can you say thank you?
Nail polish.
So exactly.
Nail polish. Your very own? Did you get lots of colors?
Here you go, Zach. This is yours.
How cool.
Mine.
We gonna paint your nails today? Zachy, do you have something to open?
Can I open this
All right.
Just, yeah, go ahead.
Whoa.
You got a present to open? What is it, JJ?
That is cool. Star Wars sticker collection.
Star Wars sticker collection.
You got a puzzle? So neat.
For Maddie, here's one.
Let me see you, Zachy. Can you give me your big smiles?
Okay.
Give me your big smiles.
Just calm down.
Oh, good job. Thank
Turn
you.
around, face mama. Face mommy. Can you open it? Alright, there you go. Ooh, look at that. What do you think it is, Maddie?
Come over here and look.
This is the best Christmas ever.
Ooh, look how pretty that is.
What's next?
You can wear that, huh?
What's next?
A second, JJ.
I
Maddie's still
think I'm just gonna wear that with these.
You gonna
Are you?
wear.
There's a black bow.
Does it match?
What's on the front?
Cookies.
Do they match?
Is it
does,
sparkly?
Black.
Oh, so pretty.
A black bow and black pants.
Good job. All right.